Effective firefighting requires skill, teamwork,
Start charging in. Okay, charging the hydrant.
and clear communication.
Command copies, ready to make entry.
We recently recorded the sound inside a moving apparatus to demonstrate the clarity of Firecom's DECT 7 headsets.
We'll have you go around the front of the school and we will fully reconnect and engage the pump at the hydrant.
The difference is clear.
As firefighters, we have a lot of noise in our daily job. We can have a system that allows us to block that out, but also be able to communicate has been really beneficial.
Firecom. Hearing is believing.